How to turn off likes notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off likes notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines, and then click settings and privacy, and here scroll down until you find push notifications. Click on it, and as you see here you will find likes. Now all you need to do is just click on it one click if you want to disable it, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.